Enginetech lifters are designed with the needs of the engine rebuilder in mind. They are manufactured to meet OE specifications and go through a strict QC inspection. A critical process as lifters perform a vital role in keeping your rebuilt engine running properly. High-quality lifters are important to prevent your engine from having an issue with valve tapping due to improper leak down rates or improper geometry caused by the plunger not attaining the right height when it is fully assembled. Ranging from flat tappets to modern roller lifters, mechanical buckets, or lash adjusters, Enginetech has a wide range of vehicle application coverage for all of your engine rebuilding needs. Enginetech lifters are hermetically sealed to prevent contamination, and the lifters are pre-soaked in oil to save customers with prep time. They're also conveniently packaged in 4-packs, 16-packs, and full engine sets for easy ordering. Whether it's consistent quality, technical attention, or expert service you expect, our teams work hard every day to earn and maintain your business. Additionally, same-day shipping and next-day delivery of our extensive, full line of products saves your company money and ensures you complete your jobs on time. Find everything you need all in one place visiting www.enginetechcatalog.com now. Enginetech, the engine builder's source.